Hey everyone, this is Business with Dave. I am here with a street food video with Sara from Pomodoro, where she makes these delicious vegan burgers, and as an added bonus I was able to chat to Sara herself about her street food store and experience. But before I get to the interview, here is her making my burger, the good burger, because I do love a beetroot burger from time to time, so take it away.
Maybe. There you go.
And here is my interview with her. Tell us about your food.
My food is completely vegan, it's organic, and it's 100% homemade. So I make everything from scratch. I sell burgers at the market, but I have an online shop where I sell loads of other things. And my main thing is to make everything from scratch. So in the burgers you have homemade bread, homemade patties, homemade sauces, and obviously no cruelty towards the animals.
So what's it like running a store?
It's hard work. The weather obviously doesn't make it easy. You get cold winters and hot summers, but it's nice. It's nice to be with all the other traders. It's nice. My favorite thing is the contact I have with my customers, so I really love it.
If you could offer advice to any new market store sellers, what would it be?
Be patient. It's not easy to find a spot in markets. It takes time. And believe in yourself and in what you do, and do it properly, like quality over quantity, always.
So some of the things I really like about Sara's store is that it's very professionally set up. You can tell what she's selling from a mile away, and that's a good thing because it's simple and clear. She makes everything from scratch, which is a great USP to have because you can't beat homemade food. And lastly, she's such a nice person to talk to that even if you didn't buy anything then, I would totally support her business the next time I see her, because at the end of the day, it's all about the relationship building that counts in the long term. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Hopefully you've enjoyed it. If you want to try Sara's vegan burgers, then follow her on her social media platforms, all on the description below, and see where she'll be popping up next. I highly recommend the burger, so do check them out. So that's it from me. Like this video if you liked this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I've been Business with Dave. I'll see you next video.